Welcome back. Today we're going to explore the content on Knowvas. Then we'll look at how we can sign up or sign in to Knowvas. In our previous video, we've looked at content that Knowvas supports. I'll quickly run over them again. We have ebooks. This is ideal for general books, novels, and other similar books like that. So then we have comics. This is good for any content that has fixed layout and you want to maintain that layout, especially comics, books with a lot of images, children's story books are ideal under this category. Then we have magazines, news magazines, fashion magazines, any other magazine that also have fixed layouts that you don't want the layout to change. So, and we have audiobooks, then we have newspaper, and textbooks, manuals, journals are also supported by Knowvas. There are two formats that are supported: EPUB and PDF. So, but let's look at how you navigate yourself around Knowvas when you are a new user. So let's see. Let's start from the menu. You can see you only have 3 menu bar or buttons: home, cart, and sign in. So, but let's look at how it works. When you roll over an ebook content, it flips over. So here you have the name of the book, you have the price, then you have the rating, the author or publishers. It's also there. You have the details. This takes you to the content of the book's detail page. Then some books you only get membership only, but Knowvas supports 2 models of monetization for publishers. You can make your book to be available as purchase. You can make it to be available as subscription only, which is membership only, or both. So, or free. So there are some content that are free. If I move, okay, let's see. Okay, for example, this particular ebook is free, so free to read. And then, how do you access any of the content? It's pretty simple. Let's look at this particular content. Look at this biblical mystery, membership only. So when I come here, you can see that I have a preview to become a member, and I have the author, the synopsis, the year, the estimated reading time. This estimated reading time is determined by the machine learning algorithms that we put into Knowvas, more or less like artificial intelligence. It determines when the publisher uploads his book, the machine learning algorithm goes through the book and determine hours needed to be spent to read the book. And this is quite useful for monetization, to measure the engagement of the reader. Then you have the rating, then you have related content, then you have content from the same publisher or author. So that is that. So let me go back. Let's look at the one that has price. I'll flip over this. You can see that you can make single purchase. You can become a member, that's subscription, and then you can add to wish list, and you can preview. Even if you did not sign in, you can actually preview content. If I click here, and you can see, the author only provided the cover. So that's why when you get to the cover, it tells you that you've hit the end of the sample. Get the full book by purchasing it or subscribing to any of our membership plans. So you can purchase, you can subscribe. Okay, let's check another one. Membership only. We preview. Let's try to preview everything. So I'm going to quickly. So you can see you've hit the end of the samples. So here it's either you purchase or you subscribe. Any of the free content, let's see what will happen as a user who have not signed in. When you click this also, you can say, because it's a free book, for you to be able to read it, you have to sign in, you have to become a member, even though it's a free book. So if I click here, you can see I can't, even if I attempt to read it, you can see this is not sample, so it's free to read. I can come here and say read book. I can add it to my wish list. I won't be able to do that because I've not signed it. And if I attempt to read it, I won't be able to read it. So I just have to create an account. So to create an account, you come to sign up, as a fresh user, or if you already sign up, you can just log in. So, but let me put my name. So I'm gonna put strong password. So then I'm going to sign up. So now I'm here after using combination of capital letters, numbers, lowercase, and one special characters. So, and I'll come back shortly. I'm going to go to my email and accept the link, right? So I'll come back shortly. So let's see. Now I'm here. Actually, what happened is that I use my mobile to verify my email. So actually log in on my mobile because you can see it's already determined that I've logged in into my mobile phone. It's Android and it's telling me the time I logged in. So I'm going to remove my mobile so that I can continue the video on my desktop. Let's remove this. So I'm going to go back and log in again. So yeah, you say tell us a bit more about yourself. Please select your date of birth to help us personalize your experience. So this is very important, and you have to accept the terms of use and privacy policy. It's available. You can read that later. Then I'm going to just select. So I'm going to choose 2004. That's above 18. So let's say we're going. You can see from here we've gotten home, profile, wish list, my library, cart is there. Before we only have home and cards and sign in. So now I can have access to some of the contents that are free